Hello, Matt. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I reached out earlier and I spoke with Sarah, and she told me that you were going to be the one watching this video. So I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly. I want to go through one of your competitors' sites really quickly, and then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in more traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out, and often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. So without further ado, let's get into it. And so right here I am on your home page, which actually looks really good. I can tell that you invested a lot of time or money into making it look this nice. And you actually have a lot of content on here as well. And it seems like it's all educational quality content, which is great. Google is going to rank your site based off of around 200 different factors. One of the key factors is content. You want to have at least 1,000 to 1,500 words on this home page, and you have almost 1,500 at 1,487. So you're right there. However, the one thing I would say is we'd want to add some more location specific, relevant, high volume keywords in here so we can get you found for all of the right things. And so over here, the keyword that I will be using for today's video is mold removal Manitowoc. And this is a great keyword. It brings in over 100 searches per month. So if you were to snag just a few of those into customers, then you would be doing really well for just one keyword. And so right below the search bar here, we would usually see Google Ads. There are no Google Ads popping up for this particular keyword at this time, but Google Ads are a really good way to get your name out there, build some brand recognition while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. As long as you know what you're doing, you can get some customers through the door really quickly. If you don't, though, you can actually just waste a lot of money on them, but they are a good way to get some attention right away. And right beneath where the ads would usually be, now here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. And so in order to make it to the front page on Google, you have to be top 3. In order to get into a top 3 spot, you have to have a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on online local directories. So think Yelp, think Yellow Pages, think Yext. Those are all good examples of high powered, highly trusted, highly used directories. And so you want to be on more of those than these 3 businesses are right here. And so right below there, we have our organic search results. And so this is definitely the number one area that you want to focus on. It is by far the best return on investment. And this is because Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something in, they're going to end up clicking on an organic search result. And they're almost always going to click on one towards the top of the page. So that's really where you want to focus on being. Right here, we can see this is the number one company page that comes up for this keyword. And so this is actually just a location page for a larger company, but as you can see, they don't have very much content on here. And even though they are a larger company, you can definitely easily beat them in your city. It looks like you already have content wise, but the main way and the reason why they're up here is because they have a lot of backlinks. And so a backlink is just a shout out from another website. And so the web is made up of websites linking websites and businesses linking businesses. And so you want to get these backlinks or shout outs from other high powered, relevant businesses, preferably local. So if a local plumbing company or construction company were to hand out a link to your site from their site, that would be a really good, powerful, relevant backlink for you guys. And so over here, I'm hopping onto Ahrefs, ahrefs.com. This is a really great site. If you ever try and do any of this on your own, I highly recommend this site. It does cost around $400 a month for me to use it, but it gives out a lot of great information. Like right here, I typed in the competitor's site we were just looking at. We can see they have over 1,000 backlinks from 105 different domains and are ranking for 534 keywords. And so we can actually take a closer look at which keywords they are ranking for. And so right here you can see some of the keywords. Obviously, we would go through and only find the one that apply to you, and we could pick which ones are the most relevant, and then we can see how much volume they bring in every month, how many people are searching for them. We could see what position they hold for that keyword and how much traffic they get from it. So we can go through and pick which ones are the best and use them for the content on your website. And so the same way that we look through the keywords, we can look through the backlinks as well. And just like we did before, we are basically just going to go through and find which backlinks are the most powerful. And we would do that by finding the ones with a high DR domain rating. We could go through and pick the best ones, snag them for your site. So right now they have almost 1,000. We would want to get definitely a lot more than they do. And we would want to make sure that we only get the best backlinks, so we could use some of their backlinks, use some other competitors' backlinks, and then find some on our own. And so over here, lastly, I just pulled up your site. Right now, you guys have 350 backlinks from 60 domains and are ranking for 153 keywords. And so right here, we can see all the keywords that you're ranking for. And so right away, you can see that a lot of the keywords you're ranking for have your name in them. So if someone wasn't already looking for you, it would be a lot harder for them to find you. So to kind of recap what we talked about, number one, we want to have more keywords in your content, more relevant, more high volume keywords. And then number two, we want more citations to get you on the map pack. And then number three, we want more relevant, high-powered backlinks, sorry. And so that's basically what I have for you today. Hopefully you enjoyed this and got something out of it. If you're interested in getting to know more or possibly teaming up, please email me back or you can call me. My number is 714-975-5909. So thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video.